Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised to hear that. Most people have never been here before. But anyways, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video, as you may have noticed from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a unboxing, which I do here. That's not new for me, but it is a new brand. So today's unboxing video is going to be for a new brand that I've discovered, and it is a monthly subscription like BoxyCharm. I was going to say other things, but I don't do Ipsy anymore. So basically it's like that though. So each month they take some money from you and then they send you some stuff and then you get to try it, and that is it. That is the gist of a subscription service. So for MEDUSA'S makeup, which is the brand that sent me this beautiful box because I sent them my beautiful hard-earned money, is a cruelty-free and vegan subscription service. The entire brand is cruelty-free and vegan. Vegan, as you see there. And I'm really excited to try it. So long story short, the way I came to find this is my mom is like a subscription junkie, and she just goes online and tries to find all the different types of subscription services she can. And whenever she finds something that is primarily cruelty-free and vegan, or completely cruelty-free and vegan, she sends the link to me. And for whatever reason, this particular brand stood out to me. I went to their Instagram and I like searched their products, and they have like the cutest packaging. Like it just seemed like a brand I could probably vibe well with. So I like followed them and waited a little bit and finally decided, hey, let's just give a smaller brand that's taking the steps to be cruelty-free and vegan, a little shine on your channels, your very tiny, insignificant channel. So that's what we're doing. I got their monthly subscription service. It is $15.95 a month, and you get 3 to 4 full-size products from their line to try. And this is my very first box by them, and I'm very excited to do it and to use it and to see what's in it and to share with you. Yay! So I think we should do that. But before we do, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put out new videos every week, and I'm fun, and I like animals and memes and music and makeup. If you would like to follow me on any of my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Bratterstein is for beauty related stuff like this, and Fatterstein is for fitness related stuff like that. Over there. Over here. And just real quick, just in case you didn't remember, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway on whatever's hot, and you will need to be subscribed, so if you want to do that, that'd be great. Thanks. So I think it's time we just get into this little box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's beauty subscription box, my very first beauty subscription box for MEDUSA'S makeup, just keep on watching. Let's see what they have. Oh, look at that paper. That's cute. Okay, so the first thing I see here is a card, which is standard, and these things. Oh yeah, so I totally forgot to mention, this is their 2-year anniversary of being a brand, and so this is a special box with some special items, so I signed up at the perfect time. And it is a value of $53.95, and you pay $15.95, so that's pretty good, especially if you want to try like a wide variety, hopefully, we will see, of their products and get a feel for the brand. So on the bottom here, it gives you each of the products you have and their retail value, which I'm not going to look into right now because I want to be surprised. So the first thing I see right on top here is these little Cocoa Betty coconut oil wipes. What? Oh, these are makeup removing wipes from, I guess, their brand, Cocoa Betty. No? I don't know. Makeup removing wipes, that's cute. That's a cute little touch. Little extra there. Oh yeah, they're normally $3, so it's just a little sample of wipes for you to try. That's pretty cool. Can never have enough makeup wipes, let me tell you. All right, the next thing I see here, I did see this on the outside of the card, and I think it's so random and funny. This is a MEDUSA'S makeup pop socket, like the thing that you put on your phone so you can lay in bed and look at your Instagram without it like falling in your face, which I have done and I do not like. So it's like a little pop socket for your phone. I don't know if I'd ever use this. I'm not a pop socket type of lady, but if you were in the market for one, this is a little plus to the subscription service. I just think it's funny. Okay, now to the first actual makeup product, and that is this here. This is their Totally Baked eyeshadow in the shade Bodacious, and it retails for $9. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what color she is. Bodacious. That is a adjective I would use to describe me. Yes, I would. And look at how cute like the little packaging is. Little polka dots, little hearts. I don't know. This kind of stuff speaks to me because I am a giant child. Ooh, and then the actual compact is like a matte black with their logo. Let me open her. Ooh, that is a pretty color there. Look at that. That is a cool toned. What is that? It's pretty. Let's give it a swatch here. Ooh, that is so pretty. That's a nice lid shade. I like that. I can't wait to put this on my eye. Look at that, like a brown smoky eye, which I've been wanting to vibe with lately. That's pretty. And again, this is the shade Bodacious, and it retails for $9. So that is almost the price of the box. All right, the next makeup item I see in the box is this guy right here. So this item here is their Mystical Eye Dust, and this is in the shade Medusa. Again, look at that cute as AF packaging. I like her a lot. And then the actual packaging is like a matte purple lid. And let's open it up. Gotta get the plastic off. Damn it. Oh, I got it off. I got it off. It's all over my hands. This color is gorgeous. So I'm just gonna tap a little in the lid, rub my finger in it. Ooh. Ooh. That is so pretty. That is like, oh, that is a pretty like black, like a blue black with gold. Is there silver too? Oh, with just gold glitter in it. That is pretty. Oh my god. I like this color. I like it a lot. And these Mystical Eye Dust retail for $11.95. So that right there, we have covered the price of the box. And I'm pretty into it. I don't typically go for like little single shadows like this, but if the color is right, I would, and I do. I don't own that specific shade, and I'm glad that I now do. So the next item I see is Araher. This is pretty packaging. This kind of reminds me of the Artist Couture packaging. All right, so this is their mineral blush in the shade Laser Beams. And through the packaging, it looks like it's going to be shimmery, which I'm excited for, and I hope it is. So again, tap a little in the lid. Too much came out. Let's give her a little swirl. The shade already looks so freaking pretty. I can tell I'm gonna like this. Oh my god, okay. Let's see. Oh, that is quite a shiny blush. So I need to put that on my face to decide how I feel, because right now it looks kind of like a highlighter, doesn't it? But I also kind of don't mind, like the Smashbox highlighter, I use that as like a blush topper, so that's gorgeous. And that was in the shade, again, Laser Beams, and it retails for $14. And the packaging is so cute, again, with the matte black. I like it. I like it a lot. And the next and final makeup product, but wait, there's something else in here that you have to wait for, is this guy right here, which is a lip product. Okay, so this is their Metal AF lip gloss in the shade Crazy Train. It retails for $11, and I am in love with the name of this lip gloss, Crazy AF. What? Metal AF. Sorry. Metal AF is another term I would use to describe myself, if I do say so myself. Ooh, shit. I guess I gotta put this one on. I think we need to see this, because that color, oh shit. Let's first put it on my hand and let's see if it's everything I want. Oh my god. Okay, let's put it in my mouth. Let's put it on my mouth right now. Holy crap. All right, so this is the Metal AF lip gloss in the shade Crazy Train, and I don't think you've ever seen me in a metallic liquid lip, but this is kind of stunning, and I feel like it looks really good on my skin. Am I right? Let me know down below if I'm right, because I feel like I'm feeling some sort of way. Let's just say that right now. And it says lip gloss, but it also says stay on lip gloss on the box, and I feel like it's drying down. Very little transfer, not from like the inner rim, so that might have dried down if I gave it a little more time, because I like just put it on, but I like this. All right, and the last thing I want to show you I'm so excited about is these. Look at how cute these stickers are. This might not be the thing that would excite everyone, but this is the thing that excites me. This one, it says eat me, and I want to put it on something immediately, like as soon as possible. All of these, so cute. This is such a cute little touch. And it's just little stickers that you can stick on anything. It says girl power there, bad girl there. You know, I vibe with this heavy. I don't know why. I couldn't explain it to you, but I like it. I think this is a cute touch. Thank you, Medusa's Makeup, for these stickers. All right, guys, so this is everything I got in my very first subscription box to Medusa's Makeup, the cruelty-free and vegan makeup brand that my mama sent me from the interwebs. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think $15.95 is a good price to try out any brand, especially since that's their full-size products. And they're like the mineral ones. Those things will last forever. So if you get something you like, you're good forever until it expires. But we never stop using it then, do we? No, we do not. Nope, nope, nope. So if you are interested in this, if you are interested in cruelty-free and vegan makeup, I will link it down below, or if any of these products speak to you. I'm pretty sure when I upload this, you can still get the same box if you are to sign up. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me. But I've seen the past boxes online too, and it just seems like in general they have pretty decent makeup boxes, and I'm pretty stoked to have tried this. Let me know what you think down below, so I know if this is something you would like to see an unboxing on again, and if not, that's cool. Whatever. Yeah, I don't gotta film everything I get, you know? And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel. Please make sure to subscribe before you leave to help a small YouTuber out. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Plus some would be nice. I very much appreciate it, because I know you don't have to. And you don't know me, and you don't have any reason to do anything I ask, but I genuinely appreciate the act of kindness. And anyways, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video, which if you want to watch one from me in the past, why don't you click on one of these links over here? These are links to videos I put up in the past, so it's like getting in a time machine to earlier. If you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel. So you can get out all the time, hang out all the time. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, sounds good. Okay, bye.